is prove pala natin rather, and itong use the Archimedean property to rigorously prove that the integral of the set containing 1 over n, where n is a natural number, is 0. Okay, so ulit pa tayo sa kabilang beamer. So ito yon as usual, sulat tayo. So again, so syempre, ay hindi mali ako. Mali yung action notation. Ulit. Okay. Yan. Okay, I want to show mo guys. Syempre, you want to show mo is 0 is a lower bound. So, yan ang una mong pakita. So, number 1, 0 is a lower bound ng set na to. So, itong set na to. Kasi, sabi natin, I will call this a set S. So, sabayin natin siyang set S, big S. O, sige. So, yan yung tawag natin. Kasi ito, this is a set. So, tawagin ko siyang set. So, hindi na ako mahirapan magsulat. Yes, okay. So, want to show, yung number 1 is that 0 is a lower bound of S. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan ko mapakita na 0 is less than 1 over n for all n, for all n in natural numbers. Kasi, yung naman ni S, ah, yung naman kasi ni S is, di ba, ito yung set S mo, yung mga set 1 over n, ay yung mga set containing 1 over n. So, kung gusto mo pakita na si 0 ay lower bound, kailangan si 0, mas maliit siya sa mga 1 over n. Kasi yung laman ni S, yung laman ng set na to is mga 1 over n. So, kailangan nito una mong pakita. Yes. And, pero syempre, di pa tayo tapos dyan. So that, and number 2 is that 0 is greater than or equal to L for any lower bound L of S. So, ibig sabihin, dapat si 0 yung pinakamalaki sa lower bounds ng set S. So, ayan. So, yan ah, yung need nung ipakita. So, syempre, doon muna tayo sa number 1. So, yung 0 is a lower bound of S. Okay. So, asan ako? So, ayan. So, yan yung want to show. So, hindi ko siya i-delete para malinaw. Okay, next click. So, take note, yung n, di ba? Yung n is defined as, di ba yung n natin is defined as 1, 1, 2, 3, and something. So, for all, for all n na natural number, mas malaki siya sa 0. Strictly. Okay. Asan na? Wait lang. It's loading. Agad, pwede mag-load. Okay. So, ayan, di ba yung n, yung natural numbers defined as the set 1, 2, 3, and so on. So, ibig sabihin, lahat ng natural numbers, mas malaki sa 0. Oh, yan. Ay, bakit take? Uh, recall. Ayan, tapos, butahan tayo ng theorem na to, which is, asan yun? Ayan. So, if A is greater than 0, it implies 1 over A is greater than 0. So, dito yung A, gagawin lang natin N. So, it still applies kasi it's just a variable. So, by the theorem, pag ibig sabihin, pag reciprocate mo yung N, which is 1 over N, mas malaki pa din siya sa 0. So, fra 1 over N is greater than 0. So, 0 is a lower bound yes. So, tapos na tayo sa first. So, we are done with eto, we want to show number 1 kasi napakita mo na si 0 ay mas maliit sa mga 1 over n. And take note, this is for all n natural numbers. So, yan. So, tapos na yung first half. Pero syempre, hindi pa tayo tapos. So, ang goal mo naman next is pakita mo to. 0 is greater than or equal to L for any lower bound L of S. So, syempre, i-define mo muna. So mag-let ka muna ng arbitrary lower bound. Let L be an arbitrary lower bound of S. Again, yung S dito, yung set na to ha. Baka kasi ayoko siya i-type. Pag ita-type ko to, imagine, ang haba. So, denote as S na lang muna tong, yeah. Anyway, so let L be an arbitrary lower bound. Tapos, ito na. Gagamit ako ng contradiction. Okay. So, kasi, hindi ko maisipan ng direct. So, kanina nag-scratch ako. Paano ko ba siya isosolve? Hindi ko siya maisipan ng direct. So, we will use contradiction. So, by contradiction, assume 0 is less than L. Ito na. Ngayon, si 0 less than daw L. Ngayon, ito na. Dito na gagamitin sa Archimedean. Asan si Archimedean? Where is n? So ito. If epsilon is greater than 0, then there is a natural number n such that 0 is less than 1 over n is less than epsilon. So, ibig sabihin, pwede kong gamitin yung Archimedean sa L kasi di naman siya dapat epsilon yun. Kasi yung epsilon is just a variable. So, as long as mas malaki yung variable mo kay 0, you can use Archimedean. So, by Archimedean, then by the Archimedean property, there exists there exists a natural number n such that 0 is less than 1 over n, which is less than L. This is true by ano, what do you call this? By the Archimedean property. So ayan, ito yung Archimedean. Pero take note, itong 1 over n na to, this is an element ng S. So specific element siya ng S na mas maliit daw kay L. So ito, take note tong inequality na to. Ito, 1 over n daw, mas maliit kay L. Pero ano ba si L? Ang sinabi kasi kanina, si L daw ay lower bound. Sige. So yung sinabi mo kanina, si L ay lower bound ni S. So itong statement na to, ito, where is it? Wait lang. Itong statement na to, let L be an arbitrary lower bound of S. This implies na si si L, so this is L, mas maliit siya dapat sa lahat ng mga element ni S, which is 1 over N. Ayan, so yan yung sinasabi statement niya. Let L be an arbitrary lower bound of S. Pero along the proof, nakakita ka nito. Yan, so get, so si L daw, arbitrary lower bound. So this inequality holds. Pero at the same time, napakita mo by Archimedean na 1 over n is less than L. So mayroon kang contradiction. Kasi sinabi mo na lower bound si L, pero along the proof, may napakita kang element ni set S na mas maliit sa kanya. So sige, gawin natin. Sulat natin ng maayos. Thus, there is an element of S that is less than L, which contradicts L being a lower bound of S. Ayan. Kasi ito yun, no? Ito yung element na S na yun. So, ayun. So, dahil may contradiction ka, hence, 0 must be greater than or equal to L. Kasi ito yung initial mong inassume. Ito yung initial mong inassume. So, ibig sabihin, dahil may contradiction dyan, it must be the case. Ito yung totoo. So, dahil 0 is greater than L, tapos, mapakita mo na si 0 ay lower bound of S, wait, ito. So, 0 is a lower bound of S. Tapos napakita mo na si 0 is greater than L for any lower bound L. Therefore, yung infimum ng set S mo, therefore, infimum of S is 0. Yung S, ito yung set, yung S, this is just this set. So, kasi tinatamad ako ito, mahaba siya. So, ayan, therefore, infimum of S is equal to 0. Kasi nakakita mo na lower bound si S, lower bound si 0, tapos mas malaki pa siya. So sige, recap na, natin, review para summarize. Okay, so use the Archimedean property of R to rigorously prove that, the infimum of the set containing 1 over n, where n is a natural number, is 0. Okay, so ang meron I want to show is dapat si 0 ay lower bound ni S. So, ibig sabihin ko 0 ay lower bound ni S, dapat totoo itong inequality. Tapos, yung second is 0 is greater than L for any lower bound L of S. So, yung natural number is defined this way. So, yung mga n mo, mas malaki n sa 0. Tapos, yung theorem kanina, 1 over n is greater than 0. So, ito na. So, tapos na yung first part. So, 0 is a lower bound of S. Tapos, let L be an arbitrary lower bound of S. So, ibig sabihin, ang goal mo kasi is makita na si 0 ay greater than, ito yung goal mo. 0 is greater or equal to L. So, assume mo yung pabaliktad kasi contradiction. So, ito. Tapos, since mas malaki si L sa 0, pwede mong gamitan ng Archimedean property. Ito yon, Archimedean property. So, 0 is less than 1 over n is less than L. So, dahil lower bound si L, dapat mas maliit siya sa lahat ng 1 over n. Pero nakahanap ka ng 1 over n na mas maliit kay L. So, ibig sabihin, there is an element of S that is less than L, which contradicts L being a lower bound of S. So, dahil may contradiction ka, mali ito. So, ang tatanggapin mo is yung negation nito, which is ito. Hence, 0 is greater than or equal to N. So, dahil lower bound si 0, tapos totoo ito inequality, then therefore, the infimum of S is 0. So, yan yung naisip kong way para ng Archimedean. Yeah. Okay. So, ano pa ba next? Next is, yung next na ipo-prove ay, ano yung next? Dito, yung density ng QC. Eto guys, di ko ito maisipan, so skip natin. Update ko kayo pag nakaisip na ako. Sige, tali ko mag-search kung may proof ko. Actually, nag-search na ako, pero hindi pa kasi siya mag-gets, etong part ito. So, parang hindi siya, I mean, yung proof na nakita ko sa net is parang hindi, alam mo, parang hindi naturo sa class, sa 155, so parang ayoko siyang gamitin. Kasi, yeah. Anyway, so ito na. To prove that if A and less than B are real numbers, there is an irrational number H such that A is less than H less than B. So we need to prove that. So, kasi density of irrational. Okay? Wait lang guys. There is an irrational number H such that Ayan. Okay. So, ito na. Prove na natin itong mga kabadingan yan. Kabadingan. Okay, so prove that if A and B are real numbers, there is an irrational number H such that. So, nagawin ko. Let A, B be real numbers. Okay. Without loss of generality, so ibig sabihin, ang ginagamit yung WLOG kung gusto mong, ano ba, paano ko sabihin, yung general pa din siya. Pero, hirap explain. Basta ginagamit siya eh. Paano ba? Basta gamitin niyo siya. WLOG, ay hindi, kulang pa to, such that is less than. Tapos, WLOG, take A minus square root of 2, B minus square root of 2. So, ibig sabihin, these are also, which are also real numbers, which are also arbitrary real numbers by closure, like natin plus, by closure of addition of R under, no, by closure of R under addition. Under addition. Kasi yung subtraction, di ba, addition lang naman yan. So, plus, yung A minus square root of 2 is just A plus the negative of square root of 2. So, yeah. Yung A and B mo arbitrary. Again, kasi arbitrary yung reals. So, ibig sabihin, arbitrary din to. Kasi yung A, it can take any real value. So, pwede ko sabihin, pwede yung A, pwedeng 1, pwedeng 6, 100. So, ibig sabihin, arbitrary pa din yung A minus square root of 2 and B minus square root of 2. Tapos, by the theorem, if A is less than B, then A plus C is less than B plus C. So, parehas lang yan sa negative kasi yung subtraction. Kasi yung subtraction is just the positive, is just the addition of the additive inverse. So, gagamitin natin yan. Theorem. So, by a theorem, by a theorem, A minus square root of 2 is less than B minus square root of 2. Yan. So, wait. Tapos, gamitin natin si density. Ito na. So, ito na-prove naman na to sa class. So, pwede natin siyang gamitin. Ito na. So, for any two real numbers, x and y, if x is less than y, then there exists a rational number r such that, yan. So, meron kang real numbers na less than to. So, kung ito si x, ito si y. Kasi di ba yung form is ito, x is less than y. So, kung si a minus square root of 2, yan yung x. Tapos b minus square root of 2, yan yung y. Then, by the density of Q, there is a rational number R such that, ganun siya. Ayan. So this is true by the density of rationals. Tapos, ang gagawin ko is mag-add ako lahat ng sides, both sides, all sides. Miss, Charis. Okay, so mag-add ako ng square root of 2 sa lahat ng tawag dito. Lahat ng inequality. So this implies R is the square root of 2. Nag-add lang ako ng square root of 2 less than B. Ayan, wait lang, it's loading. Ayan. So, yung R mo dyan, etong R mo, this is rational. Yung square root of 2, this is irrational. Okay? Ay, okay. Para clear. Note that the sum of a rational and irrational number is always irrational. Actually, this is true. Actually, may proof yan na sum of rationals and irrationals is always irrational. Pero, I think this is very, ano kasi, saan nga ba namin ito na-prove? Basta na-prove kasi namin yan dati. So, assume nyo na lang na totoo yan. Pero totoo yan. Pero kung gusto nyo ng proof niyan, I mean, I can send you the proof na yung sum ng rational and irrational is always irrational. So, ibig sabihin, yung R mo kasi dyan, rational, tapos yung square root of 2, irrational. So, pag pinag-add mo sila, irrational yan. R plus square root of 2 is irrational. So, then, take H to be R plus square root of 2. Therefore, so na, A, H, B. So, totoo. And we're done. Tapos na yung proof. Yeah. So, and ang maganda kasi dito sa plus, actually itong minus, pwede din naman siyang gawin. Actually, yun yung hint ni sir. Ang hint ni sir is gamitin yung A over square root of 2 less than B over square root of 2. Pero kasi ang problema dyan, pag yan yung ginamit mo, so yung R mo, magta-times ka both sides lahat ng sides ng square root of 2. So ang mangyayari niyan is A over square root, I know, A is less than square root of 2R, square root of 2R is less than B. Pero ang problem kasi dyan, itong square root of 2 times R, pwede yan maging rational if R is 0. So if R is 0, pwede yan maging rational. So hindi siya guaranteed na irrational. Although, pwede ka naman pumili ng R not 0 kasi infinitely many rationals by the density between real numbers. So pwede mo naman sabihin na let R not be 0. Pero kasi kung gusto niyo naman safe, mas advisable ko yung minus. Kasi, magzi-zero lang naman to if r is square root of 2. Ay, negative square root of 2. Kasi kailan ba ito magzi-zero? Magzi-zero lang yan kapag yung r mo is negative square root of 2. Pero negative square root of 2 is not rational. That is irrational. So yung r mo, never yan magiging square root of 2, negative square root of 2. So safe ka na never to magiging zero. Never yan magiging zero. So yeah. Ayun lang. And that's it. Yay! Bye-bye!